In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort boards on Pinterest. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Pinterest app and then right here tap at your profile picture. It shows you up all your boards, and if you want to sort them in some specific order, all you have to do is just right here tap at that filters icon, and from here you can select some options. The first is sort by A to Z. Just hit on that to sort your boards in alphabetical order. Also, here you can select custom sort order. Just hit right here, and then you can hold down on the two lines symbol and change the order of your boards in any way that you want, and then hit done to apply changes. And here also you can sort boards by last saved to order. And that's all about how to sort borders. Actually, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.